Hello, my name is Liesel. Today I will quickly show you how to match a font in Photoshop. This tip is so useful for when you find a font type you like in a design or when you need to create a new design from scratch for a client and they don't know what their logo font is called. And all they have to show you is a old business card, real story. So make sure to take a picture of the font or to download the image to your computer and then do the following. Open your inspiration image in Photoshop, then go to Type, come down to Match Font. When this little block appears, simply drag these corners so that you include at least 3 lines of font. And then give Photoshop a little moment to do the hard work for you. Okay, so now if you look on the left, you can see that Photoshop actually found 5 fonts that is very similar to this that is already on my computer. It is also suggesting 5 other fonts that I can simply download from Adobe Fonts, which could also be suitable. So now you can just go through these different fonts and see which one would be best for your next design project. I hope you found this useful. I hope you learned something new today. And if you've got any questions, please leave a message down in the comments. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.